You know, it's times like this I feel like I'm actually making a difference. Let's check into my new torture, the 3-day traffic jam! Singing? But they're supposed to be miserable! What's wrong with this picture?
I believe the problem is Jimmy Two Shoes, your malevolency.
Town! Let's turn our frowns upside down!
I need someone to incinerate that do-gooder spirit, blacken his heart, and kick him down so low, he'll need a ladder to climb up to his shoes!
Oh, allow me. Computer, who's the meanest, rottenest, spirit-breakingest person down here?
No, someone meaner! Ow! Someone irredeemably rotten. Incontrovertibly venomous!
Hi, I'm your new neighbor, Heloise.
Hello! Pleased to meet you. I'm Jimmy.
I'm such a bumbling Betty. I hope I didn't
Incinerate your spirit!
No, it's my fault. I should have looked to see if you were holding a bear trap.
Ooh, it looks pinchy. Hey, why don't you come over to my place so I can release your hand before you get, oh, I don't know, gangrene? There you go. Good as new. Now, how about a nice, cool drink? Drink up!
Cheers!
Did I blacken your heart?
No, it was just a little tart.
I can't do anything right here. I feel so alone.
Well, you're not alone anymore. But since you are new, maybe I could show you around?
Oh, would you?
This is the big local attraction, the Lake of Eternal Fire.
It's beautiful.
Aw, he's cute. Coochie coochie coo. Excuse me. Hello?
Yo, Jimmy, just checking in to see what's up.
I'm showing our new neighbor Heloise the sights.
Whoa! Don't take her to the zoo, dude. They might not let her out.
Hey, she's nice.
Dude, my dad doesn't bring nice people down here to be tormented. Except you. And that kid who forgot to recycle.
I think you're wrong about Heloise. She has a real appetite for life.
You got that right. And I wouldn't turn your back on her.
You're right. How rude of me. Gotta go.
Jimmy, wait!
Now, let's see this place. Thanks for that wonderful tour. Hey, let me repay you with a nice piece of homemade apple pie. Now, eat up!
I'm feeling a little woozy.
Woozy and soon to be crushed. Because guess who did this to you? Your new gal pal, Heloise!
Heloise?
Well, no, not exactly. Oh, who am I trying to kid? Yes, it's true!
Are you surprised? Destroyed?
Disenchanted?
You must hate me.
Heck no.
You're kidding me.
You're just a sweet girl who needs anger management training.
Oh. I lose more boyfriends that way.
Look who's back!
Oh.
You may have won this round, Two Shoes, but I'll blacken your heart yet! Come on, let's go torture some lawyers.
And some teachers, too? Ow, ow.
Lie back and relax.
I just knew that some positive reinforcement would bring out the best in you. Is, this one of those fancy orthopedic sofas?
You might say that.